Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious ice cream base. First, gather your essential ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, and granulated sugar. Next, prepare your equipment, including a medium saucepan and a sturdy whisk. Always ensure all your ingredients are fresh. This is key for achieving the best possible flavor in your homemade ice cream. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Pour the whole milk, heavy cream, and granulated sugar into your saucepan. Place the pan over medium-low heat. It's crucial to heat this mixture gently, so avoid high heat. Stir continuously with your whisk until all the sugar completely dissolves into the liquid, ensuring a smooth base. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze while you enjoy your homemade treats. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To enrich our base, we'll temper egg yolks. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 to 6 egg yolks with about 1/4 cup of sugar until light. Slowly drizzle 1 cup of the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks while whisking constantly. This gradually warms the yolks. Then, return this tempered yolk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk base. Continue cooking the custard over medium-low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Be careful not to let the mixture boil vigorously, as this can curdle the eggs. Once thickened, remove from heat and chill the base thoroughly for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.